Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today we get to take a look at the 2024 Toyota Camry TRD, finished off in midnight black. MSRP start right around $34,000. So we have a very practical and reliable sedan with some of the TRD goodies thrown on it. Let's start off with what this is powered by. This is the 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6. It's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and pumps out 301 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque sent to the rear wheels, propelling this 3,500 pound sedan from 0 to 60 in the mid 5-second range. Now, as far as this being the TRD, you can hopefully tell there are some exterior goodies that we will go over. Up front, the Toyota badge is also the forward-facing sensor for the adaptive cruise, and there's a really nice hourglass design for the front end with the gloss black, as well as some of the body colored which surrounds the Toyota badge. Plenty of cutouts in that grille too, and then some more gloss black accents for the lower spoiler, as well as some red accents on both sides. Really nice housing for the headlights, and then there's a few lines that come down the hood just to pull it together. There's also some more gloss black accents on each corner there. Now, this does have the TRD suspension as well as the 19-inch matte black wheels. There's dual piston calipers in all 4 corners. More of the gloss black for the side skirt as well as that red trim accent. There's gloss black on the mirror caps as well as them having a turn signal, and the entire roof is gloss black. So it's a really nice two-tone color. It's also on the door handles as well. Very nice lines that run down the side too, and then that leads us to the back where this has a trunk-mounted spoiler finished off in gloss black as well as all of the emblems. There's the taillight housings, backup camera, no sensors for this, more gloss black in that entire lower diffuser, and then the TRD exhaust, which sounds pretty good for this. Now, you can use the button on the key fob or this hidden button over on the right side to open up that trunk lid, where this is still a practical family-style sedan. So there's a lot of space. One downside is back seats in this particular model do not fold down, so you can't put in some larger items, but you still have a lot of space for any items that you do have. And then as we take a look at the back seats, the door panels are pretty simple. You have a few trim accents, a little bit of storage, and then the window adjustment. And then for these Softex leather seats, there's the red seat belts as well as the red piping and stitching, which is unique for the TRD. Now, at 5'10", I have plenty of space. There's storage pockets. There's storage here rather than climate vents. Auxiliary is down below. I have about 1 inch or so above my head. And that's pretty much all you get. There's no center armrest or additional cup holders. And the seat, like I said, doesn't fold down. But it's nice. It's practical to put people in the back as a everyday sedan. Front door panel is just like the rear. There's all of the window adjustments, side mirror controls, and then even a TRD down on the floor mats there. Front seats are automatic, which is nice to see, and it's a very low car, so it's easy to get into. We have the solid steering wheel with more of the red stitching. On this right side, there's cruise control, distance pacing, lane keeping assist, mode, and tuning. Paddle shifters are on the back side. And then there's volume and Bluetooth, as well as some arrows to go through the gauge cluster. Now, you'll notice on the left and the right side, there's the TAC, engine temperature, miles per hour, and fuel level with the red backlit for the TRD model. And then you can scroll through the info I've been going through in the center there. You even have a lot of standard safety features that you can configure the way that you would like to. Now, on the left side, there's a little bit of storage, automatic headlight adjustment, traction control, and a release for the fuel cap and the trunk. There's also some odometer settings. And then for the large infotainment system, the home screen here has that split style. You can also go into menu to go through a few of these. There's audio and map, phone, seek and track, and then power and volume and tuning. This also has the JBL audio as part of the TRD package. There's climates underneath that. This only has a single zone up front, so there's your fan speed and your temperature, as well as where you like the air to go, and a few recircs. Lots of space down below where you can even open this up and you have even more hidden storage. Now, there's some auxiliaries there, 2 cup holders. This gets the TRD shift knob, backup camera with the guidelines there, and then you can even shift using the shifter or the paddle shifters themselves. Now there's 3 different drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Auto hold with the e-brake. And then you get a lot of storage with auxiliaries in the armrest and plenty of storage down in the glove box there. Now there is a sunglass holder up top as well as the dome lights. And then this is a look at visibility. It's pretty easy to see over both shoulders, so it makes it that much more of a practical sedan. And from second gear, here we go. I will say, with a mild acceleration, we're up to speed. So it's definitely not slow by any means as far as the power that this does have. So as far as merging into traffic, just driving it in general, it has an adequate amount of power. So I'm not downplaying just driving this as it is. It just, for the TRD, it'd be cool to see a little bit more to it. But this is what it's like to be behind the wheel for the Camry TRD. Very thin pillars up front, so it's easy to see out of the front. It's easy to see over both shoulders. It's a nice place to be. Super comfortable. I wouldn't say it's like extreme level of refinement, but Toyota does offer a nice interior. We do have some plastics here and there. I think we have some kind of material on top of it just to make it look a little nicer, but it's a nice place to be. I've owned several Toyotas. I'm looking to buy my next Toyota very shortly, and so I love the brand. I love what they have to offer. It's nice. It's a nice place to be. It offers a lot for the pricing too. At $34,000, this is pretty much a fully loaded Camry. Now we do have some other trim levels that may be a little bit more expensive. You can go with the Avalon too if you need a little bit more space. That's a little bit larger of a sedan, but can't really complain with this. It's something that's going to last you hundreds of thousands of miles. So if you're looking to buy one car and be done, look at Toyota. You are going to get that with any model that you go with. That's going to wrap it up though for the 2024 Camry TRD. Once again, huge shout out to Carolina Auto Direct for providing this for me today. Check out their website. Also give this video a huge thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.